When we dropped into the water was murky and dark, and I was convinced we weren't going to find much of anything, that we'd be groping in the darkness, in the mud for fragments. And then, suddenly, out of the gloom appeared the stern, remarkably intact but also battle damaged. And that was exciting, because the rudder off to one side reminded me of Hobson's account of how, as Merrimac entered the channel, her steering had been shot away. I could almost see that rudder being knocked off on its pintles and coming to rest against the ship when she sank. As we dropped down that rudder, Mike's lights illuminated the propeller, and that was exciting to see. But even more exciting was the discovery that the top blade of the propeller was gone, seemingly shot away. Everything that we saw as we swam over that wreck was a surprise. We hadn't expected to see something this intact, and I hadn't expected to see something that was so clearly identifiable as Merrimac. Cargo hatches dropping into the interior, coal scuttles through which coal would have been passed, and shell holes in the sides and in the decks. One of which, as we looked at it, clearly had come from the stern, perhaps from an elevation, probably a shot fired from El Morro.